In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a bar pattern in TradingView. To get started, make sure you have your chart open in TradingView with the market and time frame you want to analyze. It's a good idea to zoom in or out until the price action you're interested in is clearly visible. This will make it much easier to select and compare patterns accurately. On the left-hand side of your TradingView screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. This contains all of your main drawing and analysis tools. Look carefully through that bar until you find the tool labeled bar pattern. Depending on your layout or theme, it may be grouped with other pattern tools, so you might need to hover over a small icon that looks like a set of bars or patterns to reveal it. When you see bar pattern in the list, click on it to activate it. Once the bar pattern tool is selected, move your mouse over the chart. Your cursor will now be ready to define the pattern you want to copy. You do this by clicking at the beginning of the bar sequence you want to replicate. This is usually the first candle of the move or structure you're studying. Then drag your cursor to the end of that sequence and click again to finish the selection. You should see the chosen set of bars highlighted. After you release the mouse, TradingView will create a copy of that entire bar sequence. You can then click and drag this copied pattern to another area of the chart. Place it wherever you want to compare past price action with current or future price movement. This is especially useful if you're looking for repeating structures, studying historical behavior, or testing how a certain pattern might play out in different contexts. You can resize the view of your chart, scroll left and right, or change time frames while the bar pattern is visible, which helps you see how well the copied bars line up with new price action. If needed, you can delete the pattern by selecting it and pressing delete, or adjust it by moving it to a new location. Using the bar pattern tool in this way helps you visually backtest and recognize recurring market behavior.